Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and before we dive into the video, we're going to talk really quickly about Walgreens tomorrow, which is the 21st, 70% off of the Fun in the Sun pool stuff, that kind of stuff, 70% off. And then on Thursday, the 23rd, it's rumored that it's supposed to hit 90. So if you like clearance shopping, mark those 2 days on your calendar. Now, I made a video this morning where a subscriber had a lot of luck finding some toilet paper at a rock bottom price point. A lot of you who might be able to find the same one, but it's not ringing up. It's always something called your mileage may vary, which means it might not be at your market just yet. It might happen on Tuesday. When the clearance schedule starts, it might happen on Thursday during the second wave of the clearance, or it might happen next Saturday or, Tuesday following. So you just have to keep checking. It's one of those things. Anything with clearance is never a given at all the stores. Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So believe it or not, I did a $35 basket and a $55 basket. And after all of the Walgreens cash and magic, well, both of them were free. So I'm going to talk about some deals bite by bite along with the bigger baskets, because I know a lot of you like to see my baskets to say, hey, how's she doing this? And then yesterday, just to recap what happened yesterday, some computer problems where sales items such as these Febreze that should be 2 for $6, well, they were ringing up full price, and we're not about that. So I went this morning, everything's working perfectly. So I used both mine and my husband's card, and I went really hard today because I might not be in town later in the weekend, so I can't really focus on Walgreens. So I just wanted to get it out of the way, and these deals are so piping hot, I just could not pass it up. So we'll talk about that in a quick second. Like, that's a whole table full of stuff. Weather report for you guys, really nice day out there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is talk about some deals because I know a lot of you will not be doing the booster, or you don't get boosters, or you're just like, forget the booster. So we'll just talk about these, just bite by bite. So the first deal that's a complete freebie is on these Airheads. So they are $1.49. I found them in the candy aisle, where they have all the gum and candy bars. This guy is $1.49. You can either pay that or use some Walgreens cash, and then you'll get back a $1.49 register reward. And Ibotta is also giving you back $1 for this. So it makes it free plus $1 money maker. The next deal that most of you should be doing is to grab these Febreze fabric if you like it. The Air Effects are also on the same promotion where they're 2 for $6. These guys are usually like $4.99 for one. I think it's made out of magic and gold. Basically, if you have a couch that's kind of like, it smells like your pet dog or just stanky, you spray this and it'll smell April fresh. Money back guaranteed. No, just kidding. So I grabbed 2 of these. They're 2 for $6, and then also one of these in the transaction for $1.49. So the total for all of this was $7.49. For this Febreze, I have a 3 off of 2, and then I also had a $3 register reward from the Angel Soft deal a couple weeks back, so I utilized that as well. And then I also threw in $1 of Walgreens cash. So I paid 49 cents, and then I got back my $1.49 register reward for the Airheads. I got back $1 from Ibotta, so it's just a really smart flip to pay very little for these wonderful little sprays. Over on Hubby Store Card, I just kind of changed up the deal a little bit. I got the pet ones, and I think that Febreze has it wrong right here. If you look at the, that should be my cat, Pumpkin, not this little cutie, although it's a very cutie kitten. Okay, so what I did was I grabbed 2 of them for $6 for the Febreze sprays for the fabric. And then this guy was on clearance for 50 cents. every store has medication on clearance. So guys, that is a total of $6.50. I had a 3 off of 2 digital for this. And I also had a $3 register reward from a couple weeks back from the Angel Soft. I utilized that too. And I paid 50 cents and laughed all the way to the bank. So what a great little deal. And this is once per store card, just to note that. I did this both on mine and my husband's store card. Talk about this really quickly. The Mentos deal that I was showing yesterday on Instagram and TikTok and talked about it here a little bit. This is a dead deal. Checo 51 does not have this rebate anymore. They probably had 10,000 or 20,000 and so many couponers went and did the deal, so it is donezo. Dead deal means it's not working anymore. I found 2 bags of these Hershey's Fangs, and this is the deal of the week for candy. These are $1.99 each, so grabbing 2 of them, that is a total of $3.98. We have $1 digital manufacturer off of 2, plus an IVC, $1 off of 2. So it brings my total down to $1.98. And because this is considered food in Michigan, there is no tax on this. So I threw in one of these little caramels for 33 cents. So my total was $2.31. I used $2 in Walgreens cash and then paid 31 cents out of pocket. I thought at the very least my mom could give these out to kids for trick-or-treating. She gets a lot of kids in her neighborhood, so I just thought I would stock her up with a couple bags of candy for her. So these super uber fancy fabric softeners are part of the buy 3 get 1 for free. And I have seen many influencers on TikTok, like, you know, the cleaning ladies. I find that stuff absolutely fascinating. They're always raving about the Dawny Calm. They say this is like the cat's pajamas for laundry. And I'm thinking, I'm not that fancy, but I want to be fancy. So I thought, you know, if I could put this in a coupon deal, I would try it. So anyhow, these guys are buy 3, get 1 for free, and they're also on a sales price for like $4 and some change. So for 4 of them, that is $13.47. You're not gonna pay for one because it's free. So that's really good. And what I did, guys, was I had the $1.49 register rewards, and it is a manufacturer register reward. I used 2 of them, and I asked the cashier to scan every single one so I'd have a line for each register reward. She scanned 2 of them, and like almost $3 came off. So the new total was $10.49. I used $10 in Walgreens cash and paid 49 cents. And that was a really smart flip. I think that's a really good use of some Walgreens cash. I know a lot of you would probably disagree, but I wanted to try this on the cheap and I'm totally fine about it. Another item that's part of the buy 3 get 1 for free, these dryer sheets. And my husband is really like, he's very sensitive to anything fragrant. So I thought these would definitely be a home run, and like to get it in a basket, totally smart. Leo that we have is with the Colgate. So the brush and the paste. These guys are $2.99 this week. And when you buy 2 of them, you get back a $2 in Walgreens cash. So 2 of them is $5.98. The 2 for the brush, the 2 for the paste. You're gonna pay $1.98. You can use Walgreens cash if you wish. And then you get back $2 in Walgreens cash, so a very smart little flip. So let's talk about my $35 basket. And again, I did this on 2 different store cards, mine and my husband's. So that's what I'm working with. On hubby's store card, I had $5 when you spend 20, which is really fantastic. And then out of the machine popped out 7 back when you spend 35. So I needed 35 to make both of them work. 1 paper, 1 digital. Yes, that does work. So this is what I got for exactly $35. I grabbed one of the Airheads for $1.49. 4 toothbrushes for 12 bucks. 2 of the Treseme's for $10. The promotion for both this and this is buy 3 get $5. So 3 $5, 3 $5, that's $10 right there. The little Dawn is $2.69 and I have $1 digital, dropping it down to $1.69. Hey, I'll pay that all day, every day for Dawn. And then the little soft soaps are buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 4 of these, you'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash. This is on a monthly promotion, so if you were buying it in the store yesterday and it was ringing up the normal price for you, that's precisely why, because monthly promotion stuff was ringing up properly, not the weekly sales price stuff. So for all of this stuff, the Airheads, Dawn, up to here, all of this stuff, that is $35.14. I got the cashier to scan the $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35, the paper booster, and I also had one loaded. Now I had one $3 register reward from Angel Soft, so obviously I got the cashier to scan this first so it would attach to this guy, and then I had a bunch of digital coupons that came off. Oh, I also had one $2 for this from the September P&G. So I had a $3 register reward and 1 insert coupon. And then I had a 5 off of 3 for this. And then I had a 75-cent for the soft soap. I had a 4 off of 2 for that. And then $1 for the Dawn. So not a lot of coupons, but after everything came off, it was like $19.39. I had to use my debit card. As I'm using spend boosters, that's precisely why. And then I got back $26 in Walgreens cash. I got 7 back for my, you know, spend 35, get back 7. I also got back 5 for spending 20, get back 5. I got back 10 for buying 3, get back 5. So 1 and 2 with the Tresemme, and then another $4 back from the soft soap. So that's almost like a $5 money maker right there. So really delighted with the deal. Oh, and I also got back $1.49 register reward for that. So it was just a really terrific deal, this first one. So it was almost like $6 and some change money maker. So I'm totally fine with that. Guys, so this next basket is actually $55 of merchandise, which is quite a bit. So I'm just going to show you what I got, and I did this on my store card. I got 4 of these soft soap hand soaps. They're on a buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 4 of them, you get back $4 in Walgreens cash. I got 2 of these guys for $10, and then I got 4 of the brushes. I had a 4 off of 2 for this, and then for the brushes, I had a 6 off of 4. It was some weird one, so I couldn't use any manufacturers with. And then I also had $1 off for the Snuggle. This guy is $2.88. And then I put
another 2 of these Downies, and then 2 of the scent-free Bounce, which is part of the promotion of buy 3, get 1 for free. And they're also like $4 and some change. So that was like $13.47 for the 4 laundry care products. 2 of the Colgate products for $5.98. And then I included 2 of the Fangs for $3.98. $IVC, which is a Walgreens coupon, so I cannot factor it into the balance, so I factored it after that. So that's why I grabbed the Snuggle and a couple other things. So my total for all of this stuff, guys, was $56.28. And I had $15.75 of digitals. A lot of the same ones I showed you in the slides previous, other than, you know, I had the $2 for this, the $2 for this, and then the $1 for this one. So that's kind of mixing it up. Oh, and I also had a $1 manufacturer for this. Anyhow, after all those digitals came off, I paid $40.25 with my debit card. I'm using spend boosters as well. I had a spend 55, get back 12. So this is why the basket is so massive. And then I also had a paper 7 back when you spend 35. Those have been printing out like crazy on my accounts lately. So I got the cashier to scan the paper one and I had the digital one loaded. And then what I got back was $12 in Walgreens cash for the 55 booster, 7 back for the 35 booster. I got back another 10 for buying 2 sets, the Tresemme and the 4 brushes. So like 1 for this and then 1 for that. And then I also got back 4 for the soft soap, 4 for that, buy 4, get 4. And then I also got back another 2 for the Colgate. And then I'm just really happy to get the cheap candy and the Bounce. So this was like $5.25 after everything was said and done. But considering that was like a $6 moneymaker, balancing out the 2, it's looking pretty free to me. So hopefully this video was somewhat helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next one.